Today I am. I'll draw this model. Hands down. And in front of this, we're going to have a landing pad. At the waist and skirt is a red dress. This model is simple, but it's going to help our middle-aged sisters. Look at it and be polite. I can wear it to a party or to a party. Walking the streets is fine. So now we're going to go into the design. With this model, my sister will use it. Each person will have a different measurement. Here I use my measurements. Shoulders, neck, chest, waist, buttocks, waist length, and hip length. The number next to this is that everyone will be different. So you measure it so that we can apply the formula. I'll take the dress length. This dress will be the same part. If you have a calf, you will take it 99.5% depending on the length of each person. Then I'll take the shoulder piece. Shoulder level is shoulder divided by 2 is equal to 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. Then I'll start at this point and get 16. Then down to 4. If you take her, divide her by 5. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. Take over is 6. Then I'll take the lower one. If you lower your chest, you divide 5 by 2. 80 divided by 5 plus 2 is equal to 18. Down is 18. Then take it across. Chest horizontal is equal to chest divided by 4
80
plus
divided
2.
by
4 plus 2 is equal to 22. Next, I'll take the lower part. Is to start from this horizontal line up here. You go down here and you lower your waist by 35. On a perpendicular line. I'll take it by the waist later. Divide 4 plus 2. 64 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 18. The crossing is 18. And from here you're going to get your S down. Let me be 18, according to the measurement. I will measure on the body, then cross the line. Let's say you divide by 4 plus 1. 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to 1. The road is 2. We'll connect it to the chest. Here's the waist. The ass. And you're going to reduce the live stream to 5 gasoline from the bottom up. I'm going through this dress and I'm going to paint it. My dress is 29. You can take from 29 to 42. How to get 2, you just need to translate
ruler.
and then we'll start from the point. This ass we spread out for the big part, the dress you want. Here it is broken this angle as SAO, this place.
If you are,
then you're going to walk this way up your waist. It's imperative that this pink spot be a little wider. Okay. Then, make a perpendicular line. Back up 2 petrol split in half again. And then you're going to take this road through. Let me use gasoline. Hey! The back of this neck is 8. If you are not familiar, you can join us. Connector through connector. And divide. Then split it in half so you can. I can paint the old part. From here, you can get a gas. It's 4-4. And we'll get the body first. Now you're going to do it for the back. The previous part here is that it has another one. From here you will. Measured up here are 2. It's 2.5 inches down here, and we'll have a road. Horizontal decay. So that I can get a horizontal splint for the waist. Then I will get a. I want to raise you to 2 parts. Out does not score 7-5. Chest part. You lose a little gas and your waistline increases. Another gasoline. The hip. I'm going to butt today and you will get your share. The body before the body after I painted. And this one doesn't have seams. You sew it out of chiffon or silk. All wool is fine. Then I started cutting. The back is based on the red line. And then after you guys painted this body, then I'll break down the waist. We're going to draw the bend part. Split in 2. You will be able to draw a part here. The front body, the back body, this will be the back body. Later, you will multiply this amount by twice. Well, we'll reduce it to the chest. The back is a gasoline. And then after that, you've got the lower body. Then you will cut the collar for yourself. Yeah. I'll adjust this part. Then you're done with the adjustment. Then you break the part. The waist on this body raw. And when I break my waist, then you put this part back in. Then we will get a piece on our body. And now I'm going to paint the part. Sleeve. Your sleeves will measure your armpits. You can measure 21. This armpit line, you will measure out to be 23. After we measure the armpit circumference, then we'll draw for the sleeve part. This sleeve will be a medium sleeve. So you get yourself the lower chest. To the chest divided by 10 plus cho. Year. 80 divided by 10 plus 5 were equal to 13. Measure from top to bottom. Give yourself a paragraph perpendicular of 13. Line form. Then the part. If you have to legs, you will take 2. If we add to ba, we get 4 for 2 is equal to 22. So we're going to put the number 22 the end of the hand. Then you take it out. Then split it in half. In the top half, you will be 1. The bottom half is 2. And then we're going to take this num part, which is 40. We'll take the horizontal arm. This is equal to 10. 34 to 16 according to the size of your arms. And I've reduced this to. This part is reduced to 1. And we'll get the sleeve on the body. Over here. You will get the sleeves. Then I expanded it out. You cut the hand first. Come down, give me a gallon of gas. Then we'll get a whole set of Arabs. Of the front body and the back body with the hand, the top of this dress. This style is very simple to wear, ladies. This is the front body. And this piece of the body. And this is the SAO room. And this will be the body. Sleeve. This arm will belong to the previous arm. Because I cut down on a gas. This hand belongs to the back. And I just finished sharing. I wish you success, thank you and see you later.